everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Right now I am working on making 7 wax melts. I made 2 already. I am working on 7 wax melts. I currently have in the kitchen the things just kind of cleaning out real quick so I can go back and make another 2. So in reality, out of 9 I have made now 4. I kind of screwed up some of my butterflies, so those will be mine for here, I guess. I always still mine it because that means that I have wax melts myself for the house. These are all fall scents, so they smell amazing. The house smells like a Michael's store right now. For those of you who have been to Michael's, you know what I'm talking about. It's got that crafty scent to it. I'm not sure, that's the best I can explain it at the moment. In this video, it's going to be a little bit of a mixture of between my wax melts and some of the things that I've been getting ready to put up for restocking. Now, some of these items might not make it to the website. I have something going on that hopefully some of these will be there, gone to a new home. I'm nervous, excited, and again, nervous. So basically this video is going to be just a lot of me working. I do speed up some of the parts because you don't want to see me sewing for hours and hours and hours. So yes, I'm actually going to give you a little sneak peek of me making, or at least cutting my labels for my wax melts, and kind of a little bit of what I do for the wax melts to get them ready with their packaging, and yeah, a couple other things you're gonna see in this video. I hope you enjoy it. I'm probably gonna try to kind of explain what I'm doing throughout the video, possibly not, it all depends. I have 3 videos sitting on queue for editing and uploading, and I will explain why later on. I haven't been uploading, but first I'll make sure that I have permission from everyone. And other than that, I hope you enjoy this video. You get to see the process of things, and I am going to go back to making some more wax melts. Everything on this side needs a piece, or it's missing 1 or 2 pieces that I still need to cut. These are fabrics that need to be cut. Everything on the table here has everything already cut and prepped, and it's going to be ready for sewing. I'm going to put all those aside and continue cutting the pieces that I need. I do have 2 fabrics that are being prepped, so I can't quite finish this set right here, and then I need to find a color that will go with this set right here. So this is what I have done so far. Everything's cut and ready for sewing. I did double stack some of these to be able to fit everything I have cut so far here. I started sewing some of these while I was waiting for some of the stuff. I have finished officially 2 of these. I have to finish the hat for that, and then this is all done. This is the hat that goes to the matching pants over there. These are all the headbands that are pre-cut. I just got to get those sewn.